Hi. In this video, we will explore the different base plate types available in the VTS Virtual Tower Structures software. First, we select the base plates command located under the Tower tab in Fabrication mode. Users can define the base plate shape by accessing the library here. Different shapes are available. The first option is a rectangular base plate. In this case, users simply need to specify the dimensions, such as thickness, length, and width. We click OK to close the window, and then click here to generate the fabrication model. This produces a standard rectangular base plate. The second type is a rectangular plate with two clips, defined as clip A and clip C. Users can define the dimensions of each clip directly in this panel. Note that a live preview is displayed here, showing the base plate along with the bolt positions. After entering the values, we click OK, then select the second base plate option in the library. For this type, users can also specify the distance between the anchor rods and the flange of the leg. We will use 90 mm in this example. We then generate the base plate accordingly. The next type of base plate is similar to the previous one, as it also uses two clips. However, in this configuration, clip A is positioned on both the front and back of the base plate. We click OK, and then, we select the plate from the menu here. We close the window, and then we click here to generate the fabrication model. We've now completed this tutorial covering different base plate types using the VTS Virtual Tower Structures software. If you need more information or have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team.